research findings had indicated low reading comprehensions among primary school children in Malaysia. A study done by Abdullah and Map in 2017 showed that typical education rate among Orang Asli people as an indigenous ethnic in Malaysia is still at low level. Also, the majority obtain formal education only at the primary level. Hence, only 2% have been successful in advancing their higher education in tertiary institutions. Such problems are commonly associated with several factors, including students' attitudes, awareness among parents about education, local culture, school leadership, school environment, and problems related to the teaching and learning process. Students generally prefer teachers who teach using various teaching methods. This sparked the interest to look at the opportunity in improving reading skills toward better quality education. The research targeted the Orang Asli primary school children of SK Bukit Tadong, Banting, Selangor. According to Abdul Razak et al., 2011, students prefer teachers who love telling stories, using local language, or language that is easily understood, asking questions, singing, provide educational games, joking, using computers, giving exercises, watching TV, play, and a tour around the school. This initiated the interest to study further and explore the methods that can enable motivation in reading among the Orang Asli community. Through this study, focus was also on achieving how to expand the vocabulary capacity among Orang Asli children, enhance the level of comprehensions among Orang Asli children in reading, create the awareness of the importance of learning and literacy among Orang Asli children. During the set inductions, 77 MSU undergraduates conducted English fun activities such as storytelling, music and movement, and chariots. They used pictorial big books as main material to help children reading. For example, The Fox and the Crow, The Rabbits and Turtle, Titin the Bright Swallow, and many more. For the research instrument, Wide Range Achievement Test 4th editions was used. For the reading activities through big books, e-books, the Wide Range Achievement Test 4th editions is an indexed standardized psychometric test used to measure the word readings and reading comprehension. There was also word readings and reading comprehensions, which the data collected was studied through descriptive analysis. Based on the findings, there is improvement in reading among the Orang Asli primary school children of SK Bukit Tadong, Banting, Selangor. It is also imperative that teachers must know how to create a condition conducive to achieving their learning objectives. These have proven to motivate students and promote their interest to learn. Moreover, such research will give teachers idea to try out new approaches for Orang Asli children to gain word reading and reading comprehensions, thus improving their academic performances and their future life. This research can be expanded to larger community with the focus aim on improving the quality of reading and reading comprehension. The usage of the big books can also be leveraged as materials, since the methods in this study, such as storytelling, has been found to be effective.